So guys, today we will solve an exponential equation. So the question is 6 to the power x plus 9 to the power x is equals to 2 to the power 2x plus 1. Let's start. Now we will use this formula here. A to the power m plus n is equals to a to the power m into a to the power n. So we can write 2 to the power 2x plus 1 as 2 to the power 2x into 2 to the power 1 using this formula. In the next step, we know a to the power m n can be written as a to the power m whole to the power n. So we can write this as 2 to the power 2 whole to the power x using this formula into 2 here. After that, we will simplify this 2 square. So 2 square is equals to 4, we all know, to the power x into 2. Now let's divide with 4 to the power x on both sides. This thing. Now we will use this formula. A to the power x divided by b to the power x, we can write it as a by b whole to the power x. So we are using this formula here. 6 to the power x by 4 to the power x, we can write it as 6 by 4 whole to the power x. Then we will do same thing here. 9 by 4 whole to the power x. And here 4 to the power x and 4 to the power x will get cancelled out and 2 will be left. Now let's convert it into lowest term. So divide with 2, we are getting 3 by 2 whole to the power x plus this 9 we can write it as 3 square and 4 we can write it as 2 square and then whole to the power x, which is equals to 2. Now a to the power m by b to the power m is a by b whole to the power m. We used this formula in the previous steps, right? So this would be 3 by 2 whole square to the power of x. Now we know a to the power m whole to the power n can be written as a to the power n whole to the power m. So we will use this in the next step. So 3 by 2 whole to the power x plus 3 by 2 to the power x whole square is equals to 2. Now we are getting 3 by 2 whole to the power x in both the terms. So let 3 by 2 whole to the power x be any variable, let be k. Now the equation would be k plus k square equals to 2. We can rearrange it and write it like this. Now let's do middle term here. Here coefficient of k square is 1 and c is minus 2 here. So 2 ones are 2 plus 2k minus k minus 2 is equals to 0. We can take k common from here. Let's take k common. We are getting k plus 2. From k square we are taking k as common, 1k has been left. From 2k we are taking k as common, so 2 has been left. From here we can take minus 1 as common, so we are getting k plus 2 again, which is equals to 0. And from this we can take k plus 2 common and k minus 1 is left. So from here we know either k plus 2 equals to 0 or k minus 1 equals to 0. So here k would be minus 2 and here k would be 1. Now we will put these values equals to this and we will try to find the value of x here. So we will put 3 by 2 whole to the power x in place of k. So this would be one equation and 3 by 2 whole to the power x equals to 1 would be another equation. And positive to the power something cannot be negative, right? So this equation is not valid here. So let's go ahead with this equation. So we can write it as 3 by 2 whole to the power x, and we know anything to the power 0 is 1. If you guys want to see this video, I will add this in the description. You can watch why anything to the power 0 is 1. So let's move forward. We can write this as 3 by 2 whole to the power 0, right? As we know, anything to the power 0 is 1. From here, we know since bases are equal, powers will also be equal, right? So since 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 is equal and these two terms are equal, we can say their powers are also equal. So from here we are getting x equals to 0. This is our answer of the given question.